done hiccuping? No.
Nope.
You okay, Loopy?
Oh, poor hiccupy cat.
You can't say I've seen a hiccuping cat before.
Oh.
She says I need food to cure this.
One more and